Behind the design, medial flange. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide maximum arch support in multiple planes. It was applied to a flexible pronated foot with symptomatic tibialis posterior pathology. The aim of this orthotic was to apply a high medial orthotic support with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected a medial flange from the shell modifications section within digital corrections on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include an extension of the height of the medial border of the orthotic, extending the medial longitudinal arch upwards. The flange extends from the medial heel cup with an apex at the navicular to taper at the first metatarsal shaft. The extension follows the anatomical medial flare in the cast or scan and results in an increased height of the orthotic in the medial longitudinal arch region. A medial flange also forms part of a UCBL device, combined with a lateral flange and high heel cup. Orthotip. The aim of a medial flange, in combination with the medial arch of the orthotic, is to support the MLA, the talar navicular region, the first metcuneiform region, and the first ray in the frontal, sagittal, and transverse planes. The height of the flange can be prescribed by the practitioner. Note: footwear fit should be considered when prescribing a flange, as it results in increased medial bulk. The control and bulk is influenced by the orthotic shell material. An EVA shell will be high medial bulk with less control. A poly shell will provide moderate bulk with high control. A medial flange can be adjusted or removed with a grinder.